Is gold preparing for a massive crash, or are we sitting in the ultimate buy zone? Please watch the full video. We are diving deep into the XAUUSD 1-hour chart today, and the signal is clear: the market structure has officially shifted. Although gold enjoyed a strong bullish run recently, we are now witnessing a confirmed bearish transition. With a series of lower highs and lower lows, the bears have successfully seized control of the immediate trend. Currently, gold is hovering around the 4,685 level, positioned right within a critical demand zone between 4,670 and 4,690. While the downward momentum is still present, it is beginning to decelerate significantly. This puts us at a high-stakes decision point that will likely determine the price direction for the coming days. Let's look at our primary bearish scenario. If the price breaks decisively below the 4,670 support level, we expect a clean move toward the first target of 4,640, followed by 4,610, and potentially reaching the deep support at 4,580. For those looking to enter short positions, maintaining a stop loss above the 4,740 supply zone is the safest play. However, we cannot ignore the bullish countermove. If this current demand zone holds and the price climbs back above 4,760, we could see a rally toward 4,800, 4,830, and eventually the major supply ceiling at 4,870. In this setup, your stop loss should sit firmly below the 4,660 mark to protect your capital. The pro strategy here is to sell on pullbacks toward the 4,740 to 4,760 supply zones and avoid the choppy trap between 4,680 and 4,740. Keep a sharp eye out for a liquidity sweep, a fake breakdown below 4,670 designed to trap retail sellers before a sharp reversal. Always wait for the candle to close and confirm the breakout before entering. Stay disciplined,